Wonderful morning to one and all present here today. I, Anjana, on the behalf of my class 5th and would like to welcome you all to the annual function of class 5th and on topic space exploration.
Space exploration means learning about space. It helps us to find new things and invent new machines. We have learned about moon, planets and stars, etc. Astronauts travel to space to explore. It pushes the boundaries of human knowledge, offering new perspectives on our planet and universe.
Prayer means the purification of one's soul. It takes away negative thoughts from our mind. So join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for prayer. Kindly repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into pieces. Where the world has not been broken up into pieces. By narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by theme. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country reign.
Good morning everyone. Thought of the day. Each planet in our solar system has its own story. Similarly, every child has their own journey to create and explore. I repeat my thought. Each planet in our solar system has its own story. Similarly, every child has his own journey to create and explore. Thank you.
Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and thought has found words. Now it's time for English poem.
The tiny fraction, there is so much more. Such a prominent universe to explore. Numerous galaxies, planets and stars orbiting the sun above just like Mars. Saturn has a ring, others have a moon. Planets filled with gas like a hot balloon. Traveling in light years so far away, yet our solar system is a vast array. Looking through my telescope, planets to see, looking out for Jupiter and Mercury. There is icy Pluto, further from the sun. My curious journey has just begun. If I were an astronaut, how would I feel? Adapting to space food, a dried and sealed meal. Traveling on missions in the atmosphere, witnessing time meters that I can but reverse. Thank you.
हमारा अंतरिक्ष अनेक संभावनाओं से भरा है। अंतरिक्ष की असीम गहराइयाँ हमें कभी सपनों की दुनिया में तो कभी विचित्र सच्चाइयों के बारे में बताती है। तो आइए हमारी हिंदी कविता अंतरिक्ष के साथ नए नए अनुभवों का आनंद लेते हैं।
अंतरिक्ष बुलाता है हमें नए सितारों की खोज में। चांद सूरज ग्रहों की बातें चमक रही है सोच में। धरती से ऊपर उड़ते जाए रॉकेट बनकर सपने बुने। गगन के पार चले मुस्कुराते नई दुनिया की खोज करें। लम्हे तारे झिलमिल करते आओ चलो उन्हें छू आए। ज्ञान का दीप जलाए मिलकर अंतरिक्ष को और करीब लाए। हम बच्चे हैं नए भारत के सपनों से ऊंची उड़ान भरे। चांद सितारों की गोदी में हम अपना तिरंगा
discussion. Space is vast and full of wonders. It's a silent dark place with stars and planets where you can float on giant gas ball like Saturn.
Space exploration means traveling beyond the Earth to learn about planets, stars, galaxies. Scientists send rockets, spaceships and robots to explore the new world.
The first person to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong in 1969. He said the famous word that one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
A rocket is a powerful machine that blasts into space using fire and gas. It carries astronauts, satellites and robots beyond Earth. The astronauts are brave people trained to live and work in space. They wear special shoes to breathe and stay safe.
Space suits keep astronauts safe from the cold, heat and lack of air. They even have water inside to drink.
The International Space Station is like a giant-sized lab floating in space. Astronauts live there and do experiments for months like Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams, a NASA astronaut, has recently returned to Earth after extending 9 months stay on International Space Station.
Robots like Mars rover explore planets that human can't go yet. They take pictures and send them back to Earth. The sun is a giant ball of burning gas at the center of our solar system. It gives light and heat to survive.
Planets orbit the sun in a path called an orbit. Earth takes 365 days to complete one orbit.
Satellites are machines that circle Earth and send us information. They help with weather, maps and even forecasts. A galaxy is a huge group of stars, dusts and planets. We live in a Milky Way galaxy.
A black hole is a place in space where gravity is super strong. Not even light can escape it.
Comets are the icy space objects that glow with the bright. They zip across the sky by the shooting stars. Telescope help us to see faraway stars and planets. The Hubble Space Spaceship and robots into space to explore new worlds. Zero gravity means floating around because there is no force pulling you down. Astronauts float inside their spaceship.
The moon controls the ocean tides on Earth. The gravity pulls the water towards it.
The first satellite was sent into space was Sputnik, launched by Russia in 1957. It started the space race.
Meteorites are space rocks that sometimes fall on Earth. When they shoot through sky, we call them meteors or shooting stars.
In the end, I want to say space exploration teaches us how Earth works and how life could exist on other planets. Exploring space is like opening door to a big exciting adventure. We learn amazing things, dream big and work together like team. Thank you.
A story with moral and knowledge is best for growing kids, as it helps the children to get better understand of human behavior. So some students of our class are going to present a drama on space exploration. One day, some children are discussing about the space in their class. Hello Ria, how are you? I am fine. How are you? I am also fine. Yesterday, I saw a video of space on YouTube. It was really amazing, but I want to know more about it. I also want to know about it. Suddenly, the teacher comes. Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. How are you all? We are fine, ma'am. What are you talking about? Ma'am, we are talking about space, like planets, stars, etc. Okay, very good. I can help you to explore the space. Really, ma'am? We really want to know about it. Children, you know we have a very big space lab in our school. There you can learn and explore about space in detail. We want to go to space lab, ma'am. Okay, let's go to science lab. Children are very excited. Then the teacher gave VR headset to the children. Dear children, here you can see space with the help of VR headset. Children wear it and start viewing the space.
Welcome Welcome to solar system first stop, Mercury.
Wow, it's working.
Hello everyone, I am Mercury. I am the closest planet to the sun. I am super hot during the day and freezing at the night.
Phew, it's so hot here.
Next stop is Venus.
Hello travelers, I am Venus, the hottest planet. My clouds are thick and wrap it like a blanket. Even hotter than Mercury?
Next stop is Mars. Hi there, I am Mars, the red planet. The scientists think I might have water long ago. Next stop is Moon.
Welcome. I am your closest neighbor, the moon. Astronauts visited me in 1969. I have no air or water, but I love to shine at night. Want to bounce like them? Yes, yes.
Now approaching the International Space Station.
I am ISS floating in orbit above Earth. Astronauts live and work here. Here is zero gravity.
Journey complete. Welcome back to Earth.
Wow, it was the coolest trip ever and I did not even leave Science Space Lab. I hope you enjoyed the space trip. And so, our journey through the cosmos comes to an end. We have seen planets, stars and galaxies far beyond our imagination. But the greatest discovery, the courage to dream, to explore and to reach for the unknown. The universe is vast, but so is our curiosity with science, teamwork and imagination. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Thank you.
Kathak transforms silence into music, stillness into beauty and stories into life. Now some girls of our class are going to present Kathak.
We
ब्रह्मांड को आत्मा देता है, मन को पंख देता है, कल्पना और जीवन को हर चीज के लिए उड़ान देता है। आज आपके सामने हमारी कक्षा के कुछ विद्यार्थी हिंदी गाने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
Music can change the world because it can change the people. Now, Ayan of our class is going to present an instrumental performance. Music is a piece of art that goes ears straight to the heart. So here some girls of our class are going to sing an English song.
I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
of all aspiration. Now, some students of our class are going to present a group dance.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring's like on Jupiter and Mars. Let me go, 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 let me go. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore.